Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see SOF National Cyber Olympiad NCO for class 1. Our first chapter is Introduction to Computers. Hi, can you tell me something about machines? Yeah, sure. Machines are man-made things to make work easier. Here are some examples of man-made machines: fridge, then car, oven, etc. So what are machines? Machines are man-made things. They make our work easier. What is a computer? Do you know what is a computer? A computer is also a machine. It runs on electricity and works very fast. Have a look of a computer and its uses given below. So, a computer is also a machine. It runs on electricity and it works very fast. That's great. Now let me ask you one more question. What type of task a computer can do for you? Yeah, sure. With the help of computer, we can make drawings, solve problems, play games, and listen to music. They also perform various tasks in offices, railway station, schools, banks, etc. So, a computer can do different tasks. With the help of computer, we can make drawings, we can solve many problems, we can play games, we can listen to music. Also, computer can be used in various tasks in offices, railway station, schools, banks, etc. See, you can draw pictures on it, you can play games on it, you can watch movies on it, you can listen music in it. Okay, these are the uses of computer. First one, which of the following is not a man-made? Option A is of juicer, option B is of computer, option C is of oven, then option D is of tree. Which is the answer? Option D. Option D is not a man-made thing. It is a natural thing. Options A, B, C are machines made by humans. Which of the following tasks a computer can do for you? Option A, drink water. Option B, eat food. Option C, play video. Option D, all of these. Which is the correct answer? Option C, play video. Then question number 3. Identify the following. It is an electronic machine that never gets tired. You can play games on it. Option A, camera. Option B, desktop computer. Option C, washing machine. Option D, refrigerator. Which is the correct answer? Option B, desktop computer, where you can play games. Which of the following statements is incorrect about computers? Option A, it makes our work easier and faster. Option B, it provides accurate results. Option C, it gets tired after doing some work. Option D, both A and B. Which is the answer? Option C, it gets tired after doing some work. It is incorrect. Then fifth one, arrange the following machines in a largest to smallest order regarding the amount of space they take on a table. So we have to arrange from largest to smallest. See here, first one is a desktop computer. Then second one is a laptop. And third figure, it is a mobile phone. Okay, so we have to arrange from largest to smallest order. So, which is the correct answer? Option A. Desktop computer needs large amount of space on table than laptop. Laptop can easily fit in your lap and mobile phones can be carried in our pockets. So the correct option is option A. Which of the following types of computers can be used to play videos? Option A laptop, option B desktop computer, option C tablet, option D all of these. Answer is option D all of these. Next one, with the help of given type of machine, you can dash, watch movie, eat food, clean house, plant trees. So the given machine is a desktop computer. So you can watch movie. Then next question, which of the following is not a type of computer? Laptop, tablet, smartphone, tabtop. Answer is tabtop. Next one, select the correct match. You have given 4 options. Option A is a desktop computer. Option B, laptop. Option C, tablet. And option D, palm top. So, which is the correct match? Option C, it is a tablet computer. In option A, what is given? Given us laptop, but it is not a laptop, it is a desktop computer. Option B is given us mobile phone, but it is not a mobile phone, it is a laptop. Then option D, it is given us desktop computer, but it is a palm top. So option C is correct. It is a tablet computer. Which of the following are man-made and electronic machines? Option 1 is given as microwave oven. Then option 2 mobile phone. Option 3 table fan. So which are man-made and electronic machines? All are man-made and electronic machines. So option D is correct. Next one. What is a device? It is a machine designed for a particular purpose. The next option. It is a natural thing made by nature. It is an artificial thing made by nature. All of these. What is the correct answer? It is a machine designed for a particular purpose. The second option is it is a natural thing. It is not a natural thing. Okay. It is a man-made thing. Then third option is it is an artificial thing made by nature. It is not made by nature. It is an artificial thing but it is made by man. So the answer is option A. It is a machine designed for a particular purpose. The next one, select the correct statement about the given jumbled word. So here a jumbled word is given. So you have to tell the correct statement about that word. So by arranging the jumbled word in correct manner, you will get the word computer. Then see the options. Option A, it is a man-made machine. Then option B, it is not an electronic machine. Option C, you cannot play music on it. Option D, you cannot solve sums on it. So what is the correct answer? Option A, it is a man-made machine. Next one, which of the following machines helps you in your homework like solving sums? Option A is of desktop computer and option B is of laptop. Then option C, microwave oven. Option D, both A and B. So what is the correct answer? Option D, both A and B. So both desktop computer and laptop can be used for solving sums. So correct answer is option D. Identify the pictures given below. Which of the following words would it form by using the first letter of these pictures? Option A laptop, option B tablet, option C patlet, option D batlet. We will see. What's the first figure? It is a tree. What is the first letter? It is T. Then next figure is an apple. So first letter is A. Then next picture, ball. First letter B. Then next one is a lamp. First letter L. The next one is an elephant. First letter is E. Then next one tap. First letter is T. So T-A-B-L-E-T. What is it? Tablet. So which option is correct? Option B, tablet. The next one, how many machine names are hidden in the given word grid? See, we have car, C-A-R, car. Then computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. This is computer. Then we have laptop here, L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. Okay. So how many machine names are hidden in the given word grid? 3. So option C is the correct answer. Next we have achievers section. Which of the following statements is correct about the given device? It is a type of computer. It can be carried from one place to another. It is called laptop. All of these. So the given figure is a laptop. So which statement is correct? See, option A, it is a type of computer. It is correct. Then option B, it can be carried from one place to another. Yes, you can carry a laptop from one place to another. Then option C, it is called laptop. Yes, it is called a laptop. So which option is correct? Option D, all of these. Identify the pictures marked as X and Y and select the correct statement. Here two pictures are given. X is an aeroplane and Y is a desktop computer. Option A, X. It is a man-made machine and it runs on fuel. Yes, aeroplane is a man-made machine and it runs on fuel. So this statement is correct. Then Y, it is an electronic machine. Yes, desktop computer is an electronic machine. So this statement is also correct. Then option B, X, it is made by nature. No, aeroplane is a man-made thing. So this statement is false. Then why it is not a man-made machine? That statement is also false. Why is a desktop computer? It is a man-made machine. Then option C, X, it is not a man-made machine. That is false. It is a man-made machine. Aeroplane is a man-made machine. Then why? It is an electronic machine. Desktop computer is an electronic machine. That statement is true. Then option D, X, it is an electronic machine. Yes. Then Y, it is made by nature. That is, desktop computer is made by nature. Is it correct? No. It is a man-made thing. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Both X and Y must be correct. So in option A, both X and Y are correct. So we have to select option A. Anu wants to do the following task. Watch movies, play songs, play games. Which of the following devices can she use? Option A, desktop computer. Option B, laptop. Option C, tablet. Option D, all of these. So, correct answer is option D, all of these. She can use desktop computer, laptop and tablet for this task. Match the following. Column 1, you have laptop, desktop computer, mobile phone. Column 2, it can be carried in a pocket easily. It can easily fit in your lap. This machine needs a table where you can place it. So, match it. First one is a laptop. So, which is the correct option? 2. It can easily fit in your lap. Then, desktop computer. This machine needs a table where you can place it. Then, mobile phone. It can be carried in a pocket easily. So, which option is correct? A. Okay. See, we have A matches to 2, B to 3 and C to 1. So, option A is correct. Computer is known as a smart machine because option A, it does not make mistake on its own. Option B, it never gets tired. Option C, it works very fast. Option D, all of these. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Children, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will see in the next video.